Hospital management system, CRUD operations. We are taking different layers, entity, DTO, service implementation, repository, control. These are the layers for CRUD operation. This CRUD operation, you save the data in the MySQL database. Take the entity class for patient. Fields are ID, name, age, disease, gender, contact number. The entity annotation, the Lombok data annotation is provided the setters and getters. ID for the primary key. Generated value, it is automatically generate the sequence, unique numbers. Next, DTO for object to user when enter the data. To access the patient DTO to convert the patient entity. Repository, patient repository extends the JPA repository. JPA repository providing the predefined methods. Save, get by ID, find all, delete by ID. This is a patient entity, long primary key. This is a service class, patient service class. How methods, save the record, get all the records, get by ID, based on particular ID, we get the record, update based on patient ID, we can update the patient details. Based on ID, we can delete the particular of patient. This is the patient implementation class. Implement the patients. Import that methods. Refer to the patient repository report. Is auto-provided. The service annotated. Save method. This is the business logic for the project application. Create the object. Set the patient details. Return the report to save the patient. Return DTO to the patient. Same as get all method. To get the all methods. The stream using Java feature. Map the return DTO. Get by ID, we can get the particular of patient details. Return detail. Update based on particular ID, we can update the patient details. For example, not we don't have exited the patient number. We return the patient not found message to the user. Delete the particular user. Go to the control layer. The control layer, the REST controller, patient controller, request mapping, API patients. The URL, patient service, save the patient, return, save the patient, get all patients, get by ID, with the particular ID, return, the post mapping, get mapping, ID, put mapping, may update the particular of ID, is a path variable, long ID, request to body patient detail, delete mapping, path variable land, service delete, return is successfully deleted patient records. That's it.